Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the basics running, connect your HMD, update firmware, and confirm the headset appears in Steam VR or your runtime. Once done, launch War Thunder and enable VR mode and graphics. You need the game to detect the headset, so make sure Steam VR or the runtime is active. Also set resolution scale to 100% to stabilize frame rate. These steps reduce configuration loops later, and they prevent tracking hiccups, so you can move to input and control mapping next. Now you configure inputs and performance to match VR demands. Bind your HOTAs or joystick axes and assign critical toggles, gear, flaps, weapon release, so you can act without menus. Next, set your headset refresh rate to its native value, enable asynchronous reprojection or motion smoothing to handle dips, and lower render scale only if needed. Adjust FOV and HUD scale so instruments remain readable. You do this to balance immersion and information, ensuring you can aim, navigate, and manage systems comfortably. Finally, you perform a test sortie and fine-tune while in the air. Verify cockpit alignment, check for tracker drift, and observe latency during maneuvers. Make small adjustments to IPD and eye relief so gauges are sharp, and tweak mouse sensitivity for VR cursor interactions. If you hit problems, update GPU drivers, inspect USB ports for bandwidth conflicts, and lower render scale to 80% to regain smooth frame rate. These steps complete setup. Use the troubleshooting tip to quickly restore playability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.